The best phones of 2025 have arrived, kicking off with a strong OnePlus 13, followed by the show-stealing Samsung Galaxy S25 series. We've reviewed all the top contenders, and while the Galaxy S25 Ultra is promising, we're waiting to see if it truly takes the crown from the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Looking ahead, Google's I/O event in May might unveil the Pixel 9a or even the Pixel 10. This year's trend? Thin phones. Oppo's Find N5 is the slimmest foldable yet, and Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge promises an ultra-thin design. Apple is rumored to introduce the iPhone Air later this year. The iPhone 16 Pro Max stands out with its biggest and brightest display, improved camera features like camera control, and powerful A18 Pro chipset. Battery life is the longest lasting among iPhones, making it a solid investment. The OnePlus 13 impresses with its luxurious vegan microfiber finish, top-tier display, and AI-enhanced cameras. Performance-wise, it beats the iPhone 16 Pro in multi-core tests and boasts industry-leading battery life, lasting nearly 20 hours in tests. The compact, yet powerful iPhone 16 Pro packs the same camera system as the Pro Max, but in a smaller body. It offers an improved A18 chip, stunning slow-motion video, and a sleek new design in desert titanium. The Google Pixel 9 Pro ditches the old camera bar for a sleek new design and continues to lead in AI-powered photography. However, performance lags behind competitors, and while battery life is solid, charging speeds could be faster. Look out for price drops later this year. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra redefines flagship performance, featuring the fastest chipset, superior battery life, and an ultra-versatile camera system. With a commitment to 7 years of software updates, it's a top pick for long-term value. For budget-conscious buyers, the Pixel 8a delivers solid performance, vibrant colors, and AI-driven camera features. However, battery life remains a weak point. Expect major discounts in the coming months. And that's your 2025 smartphone roundup. Whether you want power, photography, or affordability, there's a perfect device for you. Stay tuned for updates as new phones hit the market.